In this video, I'm going to show you how to add members in Telegram group. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign into your account. Now and here, go ahead and head over to the group where you want to add members to. So just go ahead and open the group, click on the add members button, or just go ahead and click on the Telegram group name and click on the add members below this. And here you can just go ahead and select from your contacts or invite friends to join your group by clicking on the invite button. So just go ahead and add this individual to your group. You can easily do this if you're friends with someone on Telegram and you want to add them to a specific group, since there's no need for them to get an invite link, as you can simply add them to the group yourself. And that's how you can simply add members to Telegram group. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.